Fellow golfers, do you want more strength and control in your golf swing? Yeah, who doesn't? We've been told for years that in order to do this, you have to work on those hips. Now that's so true. However, there is untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. I'm Coach Matt Pippin, and today I'm going to show you an exercise that will supercharge your golf swing by increasing your rotational capacity in your elbows. Yes, your elbows. They're crucial for that golf swing. Keep watching and I'll show you how. So when was the last time you thought about strengthening all the tissues around your elbow joint? And no, I'm not talking about biceps curls. On your downswing, right before impact, your elbow has to create a ton of rotation just like that. Now, developing strength and control in this movement will dramatically improve your golf swing from longer drives to increased accuracy. Now, today's exercise is a sneak peek from the Strong and Mobile Golfer 30-day program, and we're going to work on pronation of your elbow. Now, this is the movement where your palm turns in toward the midline and down, just like that, which is the exact motion your trail arm performs to create that whip effect upon impact. You guys ready? Let's go. This next exercise is elbow passive range holds of pronation. So pronation is the ability to turn that hand over. So this is going to help strengthen all the tissue on the inside, or what we call the medial part of the elbow. So I'm going to use this rolling stick. You can use this, wooden spoon, spatula. You just need something that's like this that's going to help us get a little bit of leverage here. So use whatever you got. So to set up, right elbow is going to go right on my ribs. I'm going to grab in the middle, make sure my wrist is nice and flat. Take my top left hand, put it on the stick, and I'm going to turn it over. So when I do this, I should feel a stretch on the outside part of my right elbow. Once I found my end range, from here, I'm going to try to rotate the stick down. It's not going to move because you're at your end range, right? So from here, when I move my left hand off, I want to try not to let the stick come flying up toward my face. Here we go. We're going to go 3 by 10 seconds. Check in with that wrist real quick and remove the support. You see it automatically comes up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. If you don't feel it, try to pull up a little bit. Ooh, there we go. You feel that inner elbow. 3, 2, 1. Grab and rotate back. If the stick doesn't come flying up a little bit, you are not at your end range, so you got a little bit more to go here. Elbow into the rib. Wrist is flat. Round 2. Don't let it move. 10, 9, 8. It's like I'm rotating the stick down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. That's a huge burn on the inside of the left elbow. Here we go, guys. Last one. Check in with your wrists. Go find your end range of pronation. And now remove the support. Hold it. 10, 9, 8. If you need a little extra, you just try to lift it up. That's going to burn. 5, 4. Keep the elbow on the rib. 3, 2, and let it go. Oh, that feels really good to go the opposite direction. I always like to do a little bit of capsule elbow cards right after that. Just feels really good. All right, guys. Shake it out. Let's go to the left side. So, grabbing the middle of the stick, inside left elbow is on the ribs. Take your right hand, grab the end of whatever your object is, and I'm going to roll it down. Now I should feel a stretch on the outside of my left elbow. Keep your wrist flat. If you do this or this, it completely changes it. It's no longer elbow. So once I find my end range, I'm going to try not to let the stick move, and I'm going to remove my right hand, and here we go. Hold. 10, 9. I'm rotating the top part of the stick down. 7, 6. If you need a little extra, just to feel it, that usually gives you a better connection. 4, 3, 2. Grab. Go back to your end range of pronation. Here we go. Round 2. Elbow squeezing into your ribs. Don't let the stick move. Remove the passive support. Hold. 10, 9. Right here is on fire. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Put it back into it. Here we go, guys. Last one. Create tension. Elbow into ribs. Don't let it move. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Fight like crazy for that little bit more. 5, 4, 3, 2. Let it go and roll it out. Finish with a couple elbow capsular cars. So a quick recap, guys. Do something like this. A spatula, a wooden spoon. You're going to grab in the middle. elbows into the rib. You're going to try to roll this down. So I'm pushing down in the stick to find end range. I remove the support. I try to hold that position for 3 by 10. You can progress to 3 by 15, 3 by 20, and lastly 3 by 30. Stick with this, and in no time your golf partners will be asking, what's your secret? Then it's up to you if you want to share it with them. And real quick, if you like today's exercise and want even more ways to level up your golf game, check out my 3 must-have mobility moves in the link below. They're completely free, so check it out. And until next time, remember to be strong, be mobile.